Hey Luca.
Hey.
Good seeing you.
Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, good morning, or actually good night, comrades, and welcome to Bila, the Friday night car meet in Zagreb. It's been a while. Last time was like almost pretty much winter, and now it's summertime, post-corona, and lots of guys. Oh wow. Different type of cars, I would say, than we saw last time. Also lots of I guess we got here just in time. And I would say let's go check out what kind of cars are here. Got here an M5 as far as I can tell. Skoda, Mercedes. Or Mercedes. Party time. Yeah, it's definitely bring your kid to car meet day. M2, RS3, a Passat TDI with the red eye. Very important, very important. Quite a significant amount of cars today. And quite some interesting cars as well. I must say this is a very interesting Integra. Integra Skyline. Learn something every day. Ooh, that one's special. Immaculate color condition as well. Proper RS 5-cylinder. I'm pretty sure these ones are going to go massively in value up since Ford has announced that there's not going to be any RS anymore.
Misha!
Hey! Golf 3 convertible with the front of a 4. That's how they were made. I hope the GoPro quality is okay in the dark. I bumped up the ISO values, so it might be a bit grainy, but I really want to show you the atmosphere. Ooh, that's my corner of the 90s. We can see that here we have a small traffic jam coming up. I would say that's kind of Nürburgring car spotting, more or less. Like we have cars lining up for the entrance and exit. And you can also tell that here the life is completely back to normal. They're like, if we have to talk about Corona, we have between 0 and 2 cases per day in Croatia. So that's why, yeah, it's kind of, all the things are like, all the cancellations.
Cupra for sale.
Cupra for sale, how much?
Perfect track car.
I have about 350.
Okay. not actually.
No?
Not for sale.
Not for sale. Okay, then we'll move on. See you next time. Bye.
See you on the ring.
Oh yeah, definitely.
With Megane.
Oh yeah, see you at the ring. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so all the cancellations of the Corona stuff have been cancelled. So life is back to normal. So I'm very happy to be here. And of course the Up GTI. Gorgeous as always. Hey.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hey. Yep, handshakes are all okay. So many cool cars left and right.
Is it for the vlog?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Now that's a car of the day. Yes. Citroën Palace. Yes. And speaking of classic cars, here we have really something special. Look at that. That's a very old school stickers. I mean, like 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago, that was like very in, but nowadays, I guess it's part of the scene.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, wow. Genesis. That's very uncommon. The first 7 Series. And that's why you need a Golf 3 convertible. what's happening, but it looks cool.
mi ga mažemo, ne? Ali dobro je krenuo. Krenuo je top. Do 300, ne?
M5 ga uzima. Maže ga M5,
Trebaju jedno oni gurnut, jedno 20.
Oh yeah, with the wipers on the headlights. Gorgeous. A45 with some interesting color.
Ne možeš krenuti.
Yes. This is a perfect car for a 360 video. You just hop in and film the parade.
Imam tam nekako bi mi majka...
225 u originalu 225.
Ne vidim koji je razlog.
I think that could be like one of my next project cars once I'm done with the Golf. I already mentioned it previously. This and a diesel. What?
400 horsepower.
400 horsepower. Ask him to give a rev.
Good luck, my friend.
Thank you. I think I'm more excited than I would be by taking a ring taxi.
This car is going the same like M3.
Yeah.
It's the same. Standard M3, of course.
Yeah.
Nothing work on something.
So that's a straight 6 diesel, right?
No,
Whoa.
it's a 5-cylinder.
5-cylinder.
Yes,
yeah.
it's a 5, not a 6.
Nice.
It's 5.
Someone said to me it's 400 horsepower. Or-
About, yes. S tebe učili u školi prelazi cestu jedan terorist.
Speedometer isn't working.
No. Everything have car.
Yeah, it's pretty much like my Golf.
Yes, it's a normal car, you know. I don't like the car you can. I want every day just I can drive, klima, everything.
Yeah, it's nice.
Now it's on a 2.5 bar. It can go on about 3.
Okay.
Well, now about 400 horsepower.
And how much torque?
650. This is now
Yeah.
in 5th gear, 5 and a 5.
Yeah.
It's 250 kilometers an hour. Now it's 250. This is 207 now.
Impressive.
Yes.
It's very comfortable.
Yes, I like that.
Yeah.
I only want when some cars it stop behind
Yeah.
front or just it's not for the ring or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a car for regular.
To surprise people.
Yeah. Yes,
I
that
mean-
is very surprised.
Yeah.
I'm here working and
Yeah.
I'm just go this way last day in Thursday.
Yeah.
Go out and behind of me the new M3. And he just tried to pull me and he just not stop. And the same, he look at, he can't believe it. I'm 260 hours, no, he can't believe it. He tells me you are crazy. You have 2 little tires, what are you doing? But that car I made only for the passes, the diesels, especially BMWs.
Yeah. Probably used half a liter of fuel. or less.
Yes, yes. You know, because of lots of diesels, ordinary diesels, when you drive on the streets, and when I come with this, I don't know, M5050D or something like that, X5 M5050D, just go away.
Yeah, yeah.
And that is make you smile, you know.
It's great for us.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's never stopped, never broken, never nothing, you know.
Yep.
Clutch is good always. Clutch is like a normal car. Everything is like a normal car.
Would you need an AMG? No need. This is enough.
Yes, this is enough.
Yeah.
And it's all mechanic.
Yeah.
No check engines and all shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Just go. Right.
Awesome. Thank you very much for this ride.
Nothing.
Wow, this was really, really impressive. I don't know if I was expecting that. Probably, pretty much. It was a bit scary as well, and but yeah, let me know what you thought of it. It is pretty much the end of today's vlog because I have to get up tomorrow morning early, but it was awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed today's overlook over the Zagreb's car scene. I'm very much looking forward to share more with you. Yeah, and it's definitely a big change over what we saw over winter when I just got here. Obviously it was dark, cold. Now it's like warm. People are with shorts, especially after Corona. Everyone wants to get out and have fun, so that was awesome to see that the world is coming back to normal. Looking forward to a lot more, and again, hope you guys enjoy it, and see you next time, probably at the Nürburgring with the Ring Tractor, and hopefully some of those guys will follow me as well at some point.